And that's how you make a circuit-based input balancer. Wait, what? Oh, right, let me explain how the circuit logic here helps manage the equal flow. The goal is to input balance both our lanes. What that means in simple words is that if we have items on both lanes, we want them to take turns. None should block the other. To achieve this, we need some form of flow management or flow control. In our previous designs, we used splitter mechanics to achieve that, but how do we do the same thing using circuits? It's actually simple. Pick a red or green wire and connect two adjacent belt segments, like this. First one is our gate, and the second one is our sensor. The sensor tells the gate to open or close. But how? Let's open the sensor. We want it to tell us how many items at this moment are passing under it. We do this by enabling read belt contents and changing the signal type to hold. But why hold? Because we want it to keep reading that number until those items are gone. Now this sensor keeps telling the gate, hey buddy, there are currently this number of items passing over here. And based on that, the gate decides if it wants to remain open or shut off. But how? There is a signal type in Factorio that's called everything. It's a fancy way of saying we don't care about the item type, we count everything. So in this case, the gate says, I will only open if less than 5 items are passing under the sensor. Now, of course, you can tinker with this. The smaller the number you choose, the smaller the batches will be. Alright, time to use this design in our circuit-controlled input balancer. When we sideload a full belt, one lane blocks the other. But if we control the flow using our gate sensor duo, then we give the sideloader a moment to breathe and unload fully and then receive the next incoming batch. We stop the bully lane and give the shy one a chance to express itself. Justice restored. Now all that's left to do is to duplicate this contraption and put it on both sides of an output balancer.